Hello students, good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Me, am I audible? Good morning. Hello students, good morning to all. Good morning. So we were solving model paper number 1 under revision section A. You already solved very short answer type question up to 10. Now from 11 onwards, question number 11 to 15, fill in the blanks. Each question is of 1 mark. Question number 11. In the given figure, in the given figure, in the given figure, triangle ABC is circumscribing a circle. The length of BC, is dash centimeter. This is figure. This is a circle and triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. And point of contact is P. This is Q. And this is R. AP is 4 centimeter. This AP is 4 centimeter. This is centimeter. This AP is 4 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. PB, and this is 11 centimeter. AC is 11 centimeter. You have to find the value of this BC, length of BC. So you find the length of BC. AP is 4 centimeter, PB 3 centimeter, AC is 11 centimeter. What will be the length of BC? Point B is outside the circle. Two tangents drawn from a point outside the circle 10 centimeter. Shriya Rai 10 centimeter, Subha Lakshmi Misra 10 centimeter, okay, Sania 10 centimeter, Mihika Dwivedi 10 centimeter. So BP will be equal to this BQ 3 centimeter. AP will be equal to AR, that is 4 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. Now we can find CR is equal to CQ, that is 11 minus 4, 7 centimeter. So this is 7 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter. What is the reason behind it? The length of two tangents drawn from a point outside the circle are equal in length. So the BC will be equal to BQ plus CQ. That is 3 plus 7, 10 centimeter. So your answer is correct, 10 centimeter. Question number 12. Question number 12. Given triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR, if AB by PQ is equal to 1 by 3, then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to dash. Figure is not given. Two triangles are similar. AB by PQ is equal to 1 by 3. Then what will be the ratio of 1 upon 9? Shruti Yadav, Harshita, Subha Lakshmi. 1 upon 9. Mihika. Okay. So when two triangles are similar, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, the ratio of areas of these two triangles will be equal to ratio of the squares of their sides. So when we take AB, the corresponding side of this triangle is PQ. PQ whole square. So this can be written as 1 by 3 whole square. That is 1 upon 9. Right, 1 upon 9. Come to question number 13. Question number 13. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle of side 2A. Of side 2A. Then length of one of its altitude, then length length of one of its altitude is dash triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Sania Sharma, root 3a and each side is equal to 2a, then length of one of its altitude. So there are three altitudes, three medians. So root 3a. Okay. Shuhani Gupta, root 3a. So this is an equilateral triangle. All three sides are equal. This is 2a, 2a, and this is 2a. All three sides are equal. The perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the base, this is perpendicular, this is altitude. Say A, B, C, this is D, this will be A and A. Bisects the base. Perpendicular drawn from vertex to the base of an equilateral triangle bisects the base. So this in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, by Pythagoras theorem, AD square, AB square minus BD square, right? This can be written as AB, that is 2A minus A. So 4A square minus A square, 3A square. So AD under root 3A square, that is A root 3 unit. So your answer is correct. A root 3 or root 3A. It can also be written as root 3A, root 3A or A root 3. Now come to question number 14. Question number 14. Question number 14. Cos 80 degree upon sin 10 degree plus cos 59 degree into cosec 31 degree is equal to dash. Actually, this is based on complementary angles. Answer is 2. Divyangi. Nihita Dwivedi. 2. Mahak Chhavda. 2. युवराज सिंह 2, सानिया 2, श्रुति 2, ओजस्वी 2. So this is based on complementary angles. The sum of these two angles, that is 80 degree plus 10 degree, 90 degree, and 59 plus 31 is also 90 degree. This portion is deleted from your syllabus, but 1 mark question. It is, this can be written as cos, in place of 80 we can write 90 minus 10. In place of 80, this is 90 minus 10 upon denominator, leave as it is, sin 10 degree, plus cos, in place of 59, 90 minus 31 degree into cosec 31 degree. This can be written as cos 90 minus theta, that is sin theta. Cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, sin 31 degree into cosec 31 degree. So cos 90 minus theta, that is sin theta, and cos, only one we have used, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. Sin 90 minus theta, cos theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot theta, cot 90 minus theta, tan theta, like that. This is complementary angle. So this is 1, a plus, sin into cosec, that is 1, or 1 upon sin, sin cancel, that is 2. So sin theta into cosec theta, the angle should remain the same. So sin theta into cosec theta, the product is 1. Next question, question number 15. The value of sin square theta a plus 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, you find, then I am taking your attendance. 10th A, roll number 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll number 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 1, 7, 7, 11, 7, 7, 11, 7, 11, 13, 14, 15, 18, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25, 29, 31, 33, 37, 39, 39, 205, 6, 7, 8, 205, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 8, 9, 13, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 24, 25, 30, 30, 31, 30, 33, 33, 37, 38, 122, 122, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 19, 'So your answer is 1. Your answer is 1. So sine square theta plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta, that is sec square theta. Sin square theta plus 1 by sec square theta cos square theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So your answer is correct. 1 is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 16 to 20. 16 to 20 are short answer type question. Are short answer type question. Short answer type question. Short answer type question of 1 mark each. Of 1 mark each. So question number 16 to 20 are short answer type questions questions of 1 mark each. So question number 16. Find the value of value of 1 plus tan square theta 1 minus sin theta 1 plus sin theta. Find the value of 1 plus tan square theta into 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. This is 1 mark question. Short answer type question. 1. Mahak Chhabra 1, Harshita 1, Shriya 1, Mihika 1, Subha Lakshmi 1, Saloni 1, Shruti 1. Okay. So this can be written as 1 plus tan square theta, we can write sec square theta. And this is 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, 1 square minus sin square theta. This is in the form of identity. A plus B into A minus B. This can be written as sec square theta, that is 1 by cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta, cos square theta. So this is cancelled. Your answer is correct. 1 is the correct answer. So if we recall the identity, trigonometry becomes easy. So this is 1. Next question, 17. Question number 17. 2 students came late. Who came late?
Sir, Dania Sayyed, roll number 6.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Roll number 123. Who came late?
Roll number 6.
123.
6.
123.
Dania Sayyed.
One more has come late. 123. Roll number 6. Roll number 6. Okay. Roll number 6. Next question. Question number 17. Two cones have their lengths. Two cones have their lengths, have their heights, in the ratio 1:3, and radii in the ratio 1:3. What is the ratio of their volumes? What is the ratio of their volumes? Question mark. Two cones have their heights in the ratio 1:3, 1:3, and radii in the ratio 1:3, 1/3. Mahak Chawda. Next, anyone? Divyangi Sasmal, 1/9. Aditi Joshi, 1/9. So two cones have their heights. H1 by H2 is 1/3. R1 by R2 is 1/√3. V1 by V2 we have to find out. So the volume of cone pi R1 square H1 by 3 pi R2 square H2 by 3. 1/9. Okay. This 3 cancel, pi cancel. So R1 by R2 whole square into H1 by H2. So R1 by R2 1/√3 whole square into multiply 1/3. So 1/3 into 1/3, 1/9. So what is the ratio? Right ratio. Right? In terms of ratio, 1:9. So your answer is correct. 1:9. Right? 1:9. Question number 18. Question number 18. Question number 18. A letter of English alphabet. A letter of English alphabet is chosen at random What is the probability? What is the probability? The chosen letter is a consonant. The chosen letter is a consonant. This is based on probability. 21 by 26. 21 by 26. A letter of English alphabet is chosen at random. What is the probability? The chosen letter is a consonant. So P even in short form we can write, or simply PE. Probability of an event. Number of favorable outcomes. So there are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. So consonant is 21. The total number of letters in English alphabet, total number of letters 26. Okay. Is it correct? Okay. Then come to question number 19. Question number 19. Question number 19. The probability of winning a game. The probability of winning a game, of winning a game is 0.07. What is the probability of losing it? 0.93. हर्षिता, महक छावड़ा, मिहिका, श्रुति, 0.93. All girls are giving the correct answer. No boys are attempting. Participation of boys seems to be very negligible. सुहानी गुप्ता, केवल गर्ल्स ही दे रही है जवाब. Okay, again we can write probability of an event. The probability of winning the game is 0.07. The maximum probability of an event is 1. So what will be the probability of losing it? That is 1 minus 0.07. 0.93. So your answer is correct. Now 20th question. 20th question. This is first for last question of this part. If the mean of the first n natural numbers is 15, then find n. The mean of first n natural numbers is 15. Then find n. Anyone can answer? First n natural numbers. First n natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 up to n. Sania Sharma 14. So mean is equal to sum of all observations 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus n divided by total number of observation, and this is given 15, and the sum n into n plus 1 by 2, sum of n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2 into this n, so n. This implies that cross multiply n into n plus 1 is equal to 30n. So n square plus n minus 30n, n square minus 29n is equal to 0. N square. Question number 20. So 20 n into n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1, n into n plus 1 by 2, 30n. So n is common. N minus 29, 0. N cannot be equal to 0. So if n minus 29 is equal to 0, n is equal to 29. Okay, 29 is correct answer. Since n is a natural number, this cannot be equal to 0, then this factor will be equal to 0, then n is equal to 29. Aditya Sanjal. Okay. So we have section A is over. Next time we will take section B. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.
Sir, roll number 19 10th.